Ever heard your stomach roar like a lion? Let's find out why. That growling sound isn't your stomach saying, "Feed me." It's actually your intestines hard at work. When your stomach and intestines move to clean up leftover food, they push air and fluids around. That's what makes the growling sound. It's louder when you're hungry because there's less food to muffle the sound. It's like an empty concert hall. Acoustics, baby. Fun fact. The fancy term for stomach growling is borborygmi. Say that 3 times fast. So the next time your stomach growls, thank it for the cleanup, like and subscribe for more fun body facts.